I'm doing a project that involves soldering on a Raspberry Pi Zero. I will show you how to do that. First, let's look at the materials that we will need. A soldering iron, solder, the components themselves, and optionally some helping hands. First, plug it in and let it heat up. Somehow get your Raspberry Pi set up. I soldered a few pins on first and then used the helping hands tool to hold it up once the pins were not going to fall off. I've cleaned all my things and I'm ready to go. You need to tin the iron to get all of the oxidation and other things off that might contaminate the connections. Touch the tip from the soldering iron to the board to the pins. Then apply solder to the pin. Your connection should look like this. If you apply too much, it might create a short circuit. If you don't put enough, it'll be a bad connection. This is what it looks like once all 40 pins are soldered in. Now that I've finished soldering, I could use this for whatever project I want. What are you going to make?